What is happening? Happy Sunday here, just relaxing a beautiful afternoon in here in California. And you could see right here, right, just 7 minutes ago, it's at 5:51 p.m. I got paid. Right now it's 5:58 p.m. That's my name, Adriana Villegas. So 7 minutes ago, I got another payment of $250 straight into my account. How crazy is that? Getting paid on a daily basis, multiple $250 commissions. So it's crazy because you just need two sales, right? Two sales to make $500. $500 in a single day. Two sales. Okay, and so I show you how I'm able to do that on a daily basis, right? In my step-by-step training. I'm actually going to show you here. I just started the 250 Payday system like a month ago. Already made thousands of dollars, right? I mean, this is just extra money. This is just extra income. Just some extra change. So for when I go travel. And so this is my story here. You can read all about it. I pretty much show you everything that I have done to make multiple six figures in my bonus. That's part of my bonus training. And not only in my winning, right? This is actually one of the recent payments that I've received, $250 commissions. This happens while I'm at the movies, while I'm out shopping. And so, guys, literally, the training that you're going to get, this is based on digital products, right? You're going to learn about everything: CPA commission takeover, ultimate CPA training, eBay business, right? Drop shipping, email mastery, Facebook advertising mastery, fast cash with Teespring training. You get training on how to profit with Fiverr. You get a lot of the free and paid traffic sources, access to that. So what you're going to be getting access to is definitely worth over $9,250, right, worth of digital training. Plus, okay, the creator Joshua, he adds more powerful training you get that at no additional cost. And these are the type of training courses that you are getting, okay? So you get all these different powerful strategies, right? Just how to make income without having to recruit, right? Without you having to display your name, your face. So you're going to learn all these strategies that are going to take your business and your life to the next level. Not only am I seeing success, not only have I made multiple $250 commissions, right, in less than 24 hours, but you can see all these other team members having great success. I mean, that's crazy. Multiple $250 commissions, and it's all about taking action. So big shout out to the entire team making it happen for themselves. I mean, look how crazy this is right here. $250 commissions, unlimited, flowing on a daily basis, right? And I can just go on and on and on, just showing you some powerful testimonials. So this is what I want you to do. Go ahead and click on the Get Started Today. These are all the bonuses you're going to get apart, aside from everything that you are already getting, okay? This is crazy. Over $1,000 worth of value. You're going to get the CPA Mastery course, how to create six-figure sales funnel that converts to how to close 90% of your sales by asking the right questions. YouTube Mastery course, Instagram domination, Snapchat secrets, 14-day follow-up series for your autoresponders. So go ahead and get started today. Change your life and start receiving these $250 commissions on a daily basis. So I'll see you at the top.